Hello everyone, welcome to the Ochuan Smart X2 Quick Start Guide. When you receive the device, install the tripod first. Place the stabilizer on a table. Hold the device with both hands and unfold the folding arm upwards so that the stabilizer faces you in a 7 shape. Making sure the phone holder's clip is facing up. Pull open the phone holder and secure the phone in the center. If your phone's camera is large and heavy, adjust the phone left or right to balance it. After installing the phone, press and hold the power button on the right side for 3 seconds to turn it on. The stabilizer has a built-in extension rod, which can be pulled up and bent to the desired angle for shooting. Connect Bluetooth. Next, connect your phone to the stabilizer's Bluetooth. Open the phone's Bluetooth settings, find the device named Smart X2, and click to connect. The Bluetooth indicator on the Smart X2 handle will light up, indicating a successful connection. Button functions. Shutter button. After connecting the stabilizer to Bluetooth, a single click on the shutter button takes a photo or video. Double-click to switch between landscape and portrait mode. In the app, triple-click to switch between front and rear cameras. Press and hold to enable or disable tracking in the app. M button. The M button on top allows you to toggle between F mode and POV mode with a single click. When switching modes, the corresponding indicator light will turn on. Double-click to quickly reset the phone's position. Triple-click to activate DM automatic rotation mode. Press and hold to enter S Sports mode. Joystick. Move the joystick up, down, left, or right to adjust the phone's shooting direction. Wheel combination key. In the app, rotating the dial up zooms in, and rotating it down zooms out. By default, this controls the zoom mode. Clicking the center button on the dial switches to focus mode, allowing you to adjust the focus sharpness. Double-click the dial button to switch to automatic panoramic shooting mode, enabling 280 degrees panoramic shots. Gimbal modes. The Smart X2 has 3 motor axes. The pan axis controls left and right movement. The tilt axis controls up and down movement. And the roll axis controls phone tilting. The Smart X2 has 4 modes, indicated by the handle lights. F mode, default mode. In F mode, when you move the handle left, right, up, or down, the phone follows accordingly, suitable for horizontal or vertical panning shots. POV mode. In addition to the F mode functions, POV mode allows tilt shots and is suitable for shooting from any angle. DM mode. In DM mode, the phone will automatically rotate 180 degrees. S mode. Similar to F mode but with stronger motor power, ideal for fast transitions. Device storage. Press and hold the power button to turn off the stabilizer. Pull open the phone holder, remove the phone, and flip the phone holder down, ensuring the clip is not facing backward. Rotate the holder so the clip faces inward, then fold it down, ensuring the holder fits into the groove on the back of the stabilizer. Completing the storage process. App download and connection. The Smart X2 supports shooting with your phone's native camera, and you can also use the Ochuan app for more creative features. Before use, download the Ochuan app. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and open the app. which will automatically search for the stabilizer's Bluetooth. Follow the prompts to confirm the connection. Once the Bluetooth indicator light turns on, it means the connection is successful. You can now use all the app's features. Introduction to the app's tracking feature. After entering the app and connecting the device's Bluetooth, click the smiley icon at the bottom to choose from 4 tracking modes: face, body, object, and third-party app tracking. For face tracking, when a face appears in the phone's view, the device will automatically track it. For body tracking, when a body appears on the screen, the device will follow it. Body tracking is suitable for long-distance tracking, keep some distance from the phone to avoid interference in recognition. For object tracking, draw a box around the subject on the phone screen to start tracking. Lastly, for third-party app tracking, you can select either the front or rear camera. Select a tracking platform and click Start Live Stream. After entering the third-party app, triple-click the stabilizer's shutter button to start tracking. And triple-click again to stop. To track using the native camera or other apps, click Other. Then click Start Live Stream. This will open your phone's home screen, allowing you to choose any app for smart tracking. Introduction to the app's gesture control feature. After entering the app and connecting the device's Bluetooth, gesture control is enabled by default. The icon will be yellow. Click the icon to view all gesture controls. First, OK gesture. Show an OK gesture to the camera to enable face tracking, and show it again to disable tracking. Second, palm gesture. Show a palm gesture to the camera for a 3-second countdown to automatically take a photo or video. Repeat to stop recording. Third, double thumbs up gesture. Show 2 thumbs up to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Fourth, fist gesture. Show a fist to switch between photo and video modes. Fifth, double L gesture. Show a double L gesture to pause gesture recognition, preventing any further control through gestures. Repeat to re-enable gesture control. This is the Smart X2 Quick Start Guide. Thank you for watching.